Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove background in Capcut. 1. Launch the app and tap on the New Project option. Capcut will direct you to your gallery. 2. Select a new picture or video. This shouldn't be the video you intend to edit, but the unique background. 3. From the bottom of the interface, select Overlay and then tap on Add Overlay. 4. Once the video is uploaded, select Remove Background at the bottom of the interface. 5. Save your video and export it for later use. You have learned how to remove background in Capcut. Thank you for watching our guide.